Alright, and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. In this chapter we're going to go over curves transformation. So we're going to go up to processes, all processes, curves transformation. We're going to make sure there's no mask applied. We're going to open up the preview window. And we're gonna do the RGBs. We're gonna just click about here. Just gonna make a small little S curve. And I like that right there. So we're just basically bringing down the blacks a little bit, the lights a little bit. So now let's look at the luminance. We'll go here in the middle. Just gonna brighten it up a little bit. And then saturation. And I'm just going to bring that up. That's way too blue. But I kind of like it right in there. And maybe a little bit less. Alright, so we're gonna close this out. Let's turn it off and on. So now let's apply it. Undo, redo. Yeah, we'll leave that there. So let's reset this guy. Create our process icon. Close this out. Save. Alright, so that's it for curves. Pretty straightforward. That does it for this chapter. So I'm gonna say thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, and ring that bell. As always, thanks for watching again, and clear skies.